The 2011 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, all-wheel drive, CD changer, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
8 locations, 13 brands, over 2,500 new and used vehicles online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.